The wind never stops moving. It powers our cities, our homes, our dreams. But even the wind's strongest allies, these towering turbines, need care, precision, and attention to keep turning. Inspecting wind turbines isn't easy. Each blade stretches over 60 meters into the sky, spinning through heat, rain, and storm. Manual inspections take hours, sometimes days, and even then, not every fault is visible. For an industry built on precision, that's a risk we can't afford. That's where Garuda Aerospace steps in. With drone-powered wind turbine inspections, we turn danger into data. Our advanced drones, equipped with high-resolution RGB cameras, LIDAR mapping, and thermal sensors, capture every inch of the blade from root to tip, safely, accurately, and without downtime. Each flight gathers thousands of data points including temperature, texture, and thickness. Within minutes, that data becomes a 3D digital twin of your turbine. Our analytics detect micro cracks, lightning damage, erosion, and delamination long before they turn into failures. It's not just inspection, it's intelligent foresight. With Garuda, what once took days can now be done in hours without risking a single life. Our inspections reduce downtime, cut maintenance costs, and keep turbines performing at their best. Because every minute saved is more clean energy generated for the world. The wind never speaks, but if it did, it would say, "Take care of what keeps me turning." At Garuda Aerospace, we listen. We combine innovation with purpose, keeping every turbine safe, efficient, and alive. Garuda Aerospace, because the future runs on the power of the wind.